Have you ever wondered what an ancient Egyptian mummy smells like? For those lucky enough to get close, these mummies have a distinctive odor, described as woody, spicy, and sweet. But until recently, this scent was a mystery to most of us. Now, scientists are using innovative techniques to capture and analyze these invisible vapors, hoping to unlock secrets about the embalming process used thousands of years ago. This new approach is changing the way we understand ancient Egyptian rituals and the preservation of their dead, offering a fresh perspective on history. Traditionally, archaeologists have relied on invasive methods to study mummies. They would cut away a piece of bandage and dissolve it to examine the molecular makeup of the embalming agents. While this technique provides valuable information, it is inherently destructive. The molecules can break down during the process, and repeated sampling risks damaging the mummy itself. With only so many pieces that can be taken before the mummy unravels, scientists have been searching for less harmful ways to study these ancient artifacts. Enter the team of organic geochemists from the University of Bristol. They realized that instead of damaging the mummy, they could sample the volatile organic compounds, or VOCs, from the air surrounding it. VOCs are molecules that evaporate easily and carry unique scent signatures. By capturing these vapors, scientists can analyze the mummy's aroma without touching or harming it. This method opens up new possibilities for non-destructive research and preserves the integrity of these priceless historical artifacts. Volatile organic compounds, or VOCs, are molecules that rise from their source and spread through the air. They are responsible for the unique scents we associate with different objects, from flowers to ancient mummies. When you smell something, you're actually detecting VOCs with your nostrils. In the case of Egyptian mummies, these VOCs provide clues about the materials used in embalming and the methods employed to preserve the body. Understanding VOCs is key to unlocking the secrets hidden within these ancient remains. Scent played a vital role in Egyptian mythology and beliefs about the afterlife. Spices and aromatic materials were not just used for their pleasant smell, but also to mask the unpleasant odors associated with death. These scents were believed to have protective properties, defending the mummified body against pests and microbial infections. The use of fragrance in embalming was both practical and symbolic, reflecting the Egyptians' deep connection to ritual and spirituality. In 2025, scientists got a good whiff of 9 mummified bodies at the Egyptian Museum in Cairo. They described the fragrance as woody, spicy, and sweet. This unique scent is a direct result of the materials and methods used in embalming. By linking these aromas to specific organic compounds, researchers hope to better understand the recipes and rituals of ancient Egypt. The scent itself becomes a window into the past, revealing the sophistication of Egyptian preservation techniques. To take their research further, the University of Bristol team used a molecular scanner to directly link ancient odors to specific organic embalming agents. This advanced technology allows scientists to identify the exact molecules responsible for the mummy's scent. By matching these molecules to known substances, researchers can reconstruct the recipes used by ancient embalmers. The molecular scanner is a powerful tool for unraveling the mysteries of mummification without damaging the artifacts. The team analyzed 35 physical samples, including small pieces of resin, bandage, and human tissue from 19 mummies. These samples represented important individuals from around 2000 BC to 295 AD, covering almost the entire span of Egypt's mummification era. All samples were housed in museums across Europe and the UK. By comparing these samples to previous analyses, scientists could benchmark their new sniffing method and assess its effectiveness. Some of these samples had already been analyzed in 2006 using the dissolving method. This gave the Bristol team a valuable benchmark for comparison. By evaluating the results from both the traditional and new sniffing methods, scientists could determine whether the VOC analysis provided additional insights. This comparison is crucial for validating the effectiveness of non-destructive techniques and ensuring that new methods offer real scientific value. Each piece of mummy was placed into a special chamber to breathe. This allowed any lingering VOCs to be released into the air, where they could be trapped and analyzed. The process is gentle and non-invasive, ensuring that the mummy remains intact. By capturing these ancient vapors, scientists can study the materials used in embalming and gain new insights into the preservation techniques of the past. Once the VOCs were trapped, scientists used gas chromatography and mass spectrometry to analyze them. These techniques isolate and identify specific molecules within the sample, revealing which fats, waxes, and resins were used in the embalming fluid. Gas chromatography separates the compounds, while mass spectrometry provides detailed information about their structure. Together, these tools allow researchers to reconstruct the chemical recipes of ancient Egypt. The analysis revealed that the main ingredients in ancient Egyptian embalming fluids were fats and oils, beeswax, plant resin, and bitumen. These materials were chosen for their preservative properties and their ability to mask unpleasant odors. Over time, the recipes became more complex, incorporating costly materials like resins and oils from plants such as pine, juniper, and cedar. The evolution of these recipes reflects changes in Egyptian society and access to resources. In the earliest days of mummification, Egyptians used simple recipes made mostly of fats and oils. These basic ingredients were effective at preserving the body, but lacked the complexity of later methods. As time went on, embalmers began to experiment with new materials, seeking better preservation and more pleasant aromas. The transition from simple to complex recipes marks an important chapter in the history of Egyptian funerary practices. As mummification techniques advanced, embalmers began to use more expensive and exotic materials. Resins and oils from plants like pine, juniper, and cedar were added to the mix, along with bitumen. These ingredients not only improved preservation but also enhanced the scent of the mummy. The use of costly materials reflects the importance of mummification in Egyptian society, especially for high-status individuals. The study found that mummies from different historical periods exhibited distinct, volatile compositions. This means that VOC analysis can help differentiate the chronology of mummies, providing clues about when they were embalmed. By examining the scent signatures, scientists can quickly and non-invasively determine the age and origin of a mummy, adding a new dimension to archaeological research. The authors of the study highlight that volatile analysis serves as a minimally invasive tool for mummy research. It allows scientists to obtain useful analytical information without compromising the integrity of the sample. This rapid screening method can be used to target samples for more detailed and time-consuming analysis, making it an efficient first step in archaeological investigations. One of the greatest advantages of VOC analysis is that it preserves the integrity of the mummy. Unlike destructive methods, this technique leaves the artifact untouched, ensuring that future generations can continue to study and appreciate these ancient remains. Preservation is a core value in archaeology, and VOC analysis represents a major step forward in ethical research practices. VOC analysis is not only non-destructive, but also rapid. Scientists can quickly obtain analytical information, making it ideal for preliminary screening. This allows researchers to identify promising samples for more detailed investigation, saving time and resources. The speed and efficiency of VOC analysis are transforming the way archaeologists approach mummy research. The research published in the Journal of Archaeological Science marks a big breakthrough in mummy analysis. By combining scent analysis with advanced molecular techniques, scientists are uncovering new details about ancient Egyptian embalming. These bold ideas are reshaping our understanding of history and opening up exciting possibilities for future discoveries. Bold ideas like VOC analysis are changing the landscape of archaeological research. By thinking outside the box, scientists are finding new ways to study the past without causing harm. This spirit of innovation is essential for advancing our knowledge and preserving the treasures of history for generations to come. As technology continues to advance, the possibilities for mummy research are expanding. VOC analysis is just one example of how scientists are using new tools to unlock the secrets of the past. With ongoing innovation, we can expect even more discoveries that will deepen our understanding of ancient civilizations and their remarkable achievements.